Hello everybody, I bought a cheap 45 litre top box off of AliExpress and we're going to install it to the Africa Twin. Grab a cuppa and let's see what this is like. Pretty well packaged to begin with. Love a bit of air sac packing. Oh, this is going to be a bit of a challenge to do with one hand, so let's on. Oh, it's black, which is a good start because that's what we've ordered. Let's get this out of the way. There it is. And judging by how cold it is, I'm thinking this is actually aluminium and not plastic as I initially thought. So let's try and open this up. It's pretty easy. Some lining in there. Some assembly instructions. Fixings, keys, always good, and a couple of reflective strips. A little look inside. Pretty thick this, so not too shabby. This was very cheap on the Black Friday sale, as in I think somewhere around the £70 region, shipping included. This is slightly difficult with one hand, but there's the liner, all foam, no tape seams or anything like that, so if water gets in there it will get moist. There's some sealing down there. I don't know how much of that you can actually see. It might be a little bit dark. I have to take this plate off. There we go. And I'm guessing it's going to slide this way. That was nice and easy. Good old made in China sticker. Plate just slides in, or at least it should, because you're meant to be able to take this on and off. That latch goes onto it and then you clip it down, and that is secure. I haven't got any complaints about that. The challenge would then be getting this fitted onto the bike, and let's see. So these holes should be universal. We should be able to find a pair of holes that matches nicely, and it doesn't look like it's going to be an easy feat. So I'm going to fiddle around with this for a bit, figure out where it actually wants to drop in, and then I'll bring you back. Let's see if we can find a way to position this so that it mates up with the holes on the Africa Twin stock rack, which I don't think it does very well. If I'll drop a bolt in there, I'll try to drop one in here. Okay, maybe these two match up. Are we going to be able to do the same thing here? Drop one in there and drop one in there. Ah, it might just. The thick washers, they're not centered up very well, but they'll do for now. I will definitely come back to this plate. I'll slot the holes out a bit further I'll have to see how far in the top box actually goes as well, because I might actually want this to sit further back. We'll stick the top box on in a second, but yeah, the clasp that secures the top box onto this plate, that's adjustable with these bolts here, and it just slides onto these. It's not bad at all for a 70 quid top box. I'm not going to complain too much about this. It does sit nice and square. It is rather bloody tall. I'm not a big fan of top boxes, never was, never will be, but needs must. And that is a somewhat secure top box. Keys, lock, lock. So now you can't push this down. Quite violent that, and I think I've just lost the keys in the process of doing that. They got flung, they got chucked somewhere. So I thought I'll take this outside for better lighting and show you what this looks like fitted to the bike. Not a bad little top box, to be honest. The plate isn't that obvious, that visible. Obviously with it on, you've got the little latch here that secures it to the plate. Obviously you need to unlock this and then just press down and the whole thing comes off. And I'll also show you the amount of stuff you can fit inside it. So this is pretty much all you need to go camping. Pair of flip-flops, always good to have them on site. Bit of water, tools, towel. That is going to be a pillow, tent poles, tent footprint, sleeping bag, kitchen, sleeping bag, a hat, tent poles, tent pegs even, and the tent itself. All of this I'm gonna do a video about, and you can actually see what they are and how they work. But yeah, for a 70 quid top box including shipping, that is not bad at all. This is gonna be good. It's got a decent rubber seal, soft rubber on it as well. Don't know how waterproof that's gonna be, but I'll happily stick a nice big waterproof bag, a dry bag in there, and everything's gonna be just fine. So yeah. Hope this is gonna be of some sort of use to someone. Enjoy. See you next time.